Hello and welcome to my channel. I am Bsin. Please, if you're new here, kindly subscribe to my channel. And if you have been watching my videos and you've not yet subscribed, please kindly subscribe for us to build a mathematics community. In this lesson, we'll be looking at this differentiation question. For what values of a and b, that y equal to a times cosine of x plus b times sine of x satisfy the equation y prime prime plus 2y prime plus 3y equal to 2 times sine of x. Thanks to Ebenezer from University of Legon, Ghana for sending me this question. I hope one guy too sent me the same question. I learned as Samuel been something name, but I've forgotten the name. However, the solution to the question is the most important thing that we are going to factor here. Okay, how do you do this? It's very simple. We are going to use the substitution method. So let's do some quiet derivatives and then do some simple substitution, right? Just hit the subscribe button, like, share, and also leave your comment for us to build the community. Now, we first take the first derivative. So y prime will be equal to the derivative of a times cosine of x plus b times sine of x. So we are going to have the derivative of cosine of x equals negative a sine of x. That is, if we differentiate cosine of x, we get negative sine of x times a will give us negative a sine of x. If we differentiate sine of x, we get cosine of x times b. We get positive b cosine of x. Very, very simple as that. Now, what is next? Let us take the second derivative. Y prime prime will be equal to the derivative of minus a sine of x plus b times cosine of x. Now this is equal to, if you differentiate sine of x, you get cosine of x times minus a, you get minus a cosine of x. If we differentiate cosine of x, we get negative sine of x times b will give us negative b sine of x as y prime prime. The question is a bit tricky, but simple to solve. Now, I have equation 1, equation 2, equation 0, and let me name the original question equation A. So I'm going to put equation A, equation 1, equation 2 into equation 0. So we have y prime prime, so I have minus a cosine of a minus b sine of x plus 2 times y prime is this minus a sine of x plus b cosine of x plus 3 times equation A. That is the original equation. A times cosine of x plus b times sine of x equal to 2 times sine of x. So here I'm going to have minus a times cosine of x minus b times sine of x minus 2a times sine of x plus 2b times cosine of x plus 3a times cosine of x plus 3b times sine of x equal to 2 times sine of x. If you have any way of simplifying it, apart from what I'm doing, you can do the same way. Okay, so here I'm going to take the a terms out. So I have a A. Wow, it's very simple here. A. So it's very good for us to go. I'm going to have negative A plus 3A cosine of x. That will give me 2A cosine of x. Then I have this minus 2A sine of x. So we've done with the A terms. Now let's look at the B terms. I have this, and that. So I have minus B sine of x plus 3B sine of x will give me plus 2B sine of x plus another 2B cosine of x equal to 2 times sine of x. Now we can divide 2 by 2 because we have 2, 2, 2, 2. So if we divide 2 by 2, we will get A times cosine of x minus A times sine of x plus B times sine of x plus B times cosine of x equal to sine of x. Wow, very, very simple as that. Now, let us group the cosine terms together and the sine terms together. So here, I'm going to have A times cosine of x plus B times cosine of x plus B times sine of x minus A times sine of x equal to sine of x. Now here we can factorize the cosine term out. So I have A plus B times cosine of x plus B minus A times sine of x equal to sine of x. Now what is left is that we have to compare coefficients. We have to compare coefficients. Remember that here we can add plus 0 cosine of x. So by comparing, we have B minus A equal to 1 because the coefficient of this sine of x is 1 and the coefficient of this sine of x is B minus A. And that you have B equal to 1 plus A. And here too, 0 will be equal to A plus B. And that we have A equal to negative B. Wow. This is very nice for us. So what do? We have equation 5. And let's name this one equation 6. So how do we solve it? A equal to negative B. Okay, let's forget about this one. Forget about this one. Yes, and let's take the initial ones and then solve. And we can do B minus A equal to 0. A plus B equal to 0. So this will help us. I'm going to take A equal to negative B as equation 6. And then put it here. Wow. So I'm going to have B minus B equal to 1. Since A equal to negative B. 2B equal to positive 1. B equals positive half. This implies that A equals negative half. You can cross check and see that our answers are valid. Very, very simple as that. Let's do the cross check so that it will clear any misunderstanding. Now, let's use this part to do the cross check and see. Now, if we look at this part, we are going to have A plus B cosine x. So A is negative half plus positive half times cosine of x. That will give us 0 cosine of x, and it will be 0. And if we come here, we have positive half minus a will give us plus a, because a is negative. And we are going to have sin x. So this will give us half plus half is 1. So you get sin x equal to sin x. Very simple as that. You can also use any of the steps and put in a there, and you see that you will get what we have here. Or you can consider the first substitution and put in the values of a and b, and you see that when you simplify, you get 2 sin of x. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.